What's up, y'all? We are back in the building. It's your boy DJ Richie Skye, and we are outside actually in my backyard, and we are going to be talking about making money in the travel influencing space. This is going to be for you if you want to work in the travel space, but you have absolutely no idea where to start, or you are a complete beginner, or maybe you are already heavily engrossed in this space. I'm going to give you the keys on exactly what you can do to start earning money today. Yes, today. Who am I? My name is Richie Skye. I actually run a reality TV related YouTube channel. I was on a reality TV show on Bravo called Stripped. I used to be a DJ, and I have worked in news as a reality entertainment pop culture news expert, right? So with all of that being said, I've learned a lot by working in the travel space over these past, 2 years at this point. And so I'm here to give you the keys on exactly what to do to start your travel influencing and making money in the world of travel today. Yes, today. So if you are the person who has been running after brand deals, hotel collabs, transportation collabs, and you haven't found any way to make traction, because let's face it, sometimes as people of color, it is sometimes a little bit difficult to get into these spaces. I only can tell you from my own experience that it can be a little bit difficult, but it's completely not impossible. And sometimes it's better to jumpstart your own engine and then allow those other brands and hotels and all of those other people that you're trying to work with to begin to hop on your bandwagon because your engine has already been revved up. What do I mean by that? I mean that you have taken matters into your own hands. You are starting this journey without their help, right? That's how I've pretty much done everything in my career. I've had to start my own engine, and everybody else had to jump on board after I already got started. So trust and believe, if I can do it, you can do it. I am no one special. I am simply someone who takes action. I am the type of person that will jump off a cliff and learn how to fly on the way down. And you need to be that type of person too, because if you are sitting around and waiting for somebody to come and save you and do something for you, it is not going to happen. Okay. It is not going to happen. Well, it may happen, but at the end of the day, what I've learned is it happens faster when you make it happen. So let's get started with this video. Okay. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to set up a YouTube channel. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and get that thing started absolutely right now, right? Like so many people come to me and I do one-on-one sessions for people who are starting their YouTube pages, and a lot of people I find are just simply stuck. They are stuck because they don't see themselves as a YouTube content creator. They don't see themselves as the thing that they want to become. That is the key to success in anything in life. You have to see it for yourself in order for you to get it, right? So for me, one of the things that I would recommend to you is to write it down. Simply write down what it is that you want to do and then take action on it. Usually, execution is most people's biggest problem. They will plan and plan for months and months and months and years and years and years, and they will never do anything because they just are too afraid. They're too in their heads. And I'm telling you right now to get out of your head and into your bag. Okay. So that's number one. You're going to set up a YouTube page. You're going to do all of the things. You're going to put up a banner. You can do that with Canva. There's plenty of videos out there that will tell you how to set up a YouTube page. I feel like it's pretty much easy at this point. And if I've got to tell you how to set up the page, then we've got a lot of other problems that we need to encounter first, right? I know that some people will need help, but this is for people who want a fast start, and I'm about to give you a fast start. So even if you don't have a banner, you can still get started. Okay, so now that you got your YouTube page set up, what I want you to do is I want you to create your first video, and it should be an introduction video. This is just to get you in the zone of talking, right? You need to learn how to talk to the camera. You need to learn how to flex the muscle of working in front of a camera and talking to yourself. Yes. If you can talk to yourself, really not yourself, because you got to pretend like you're already talking to hundreds of thousands of people. For me, one of the things that I do I used to be a DJ, right? So getting on stage in front of thousands of people at that point, it becomes a no-brainer to me because I kind of just shut it all out and I'm in my zone. I know that I am there for a reason, and the amount of people who are watching me is irrelevant because my job is to control the party, whether that's 5 people, that's 5,000 people, that's 50,000 people. I've done it all. Okay, so next. Now that you're comfortable, now that you've got your YouTube channel set up, the first video is going to be an intro video. And I want you to talk about your travel journey, what it is that you want to do on this channel. Even if you're going to be documenting your journey to making money, that is something that people love. People love humble beginnings. Why? Because people are just beginning, right? The people that are watching you, they could just be beginning their process. They could not know anything about who you are. And this is your opportunity to tell them. So in about a 15-minute video, yes, 15 minutes, I'm going to tell you all of your first videos should be between 15 to 20 minutes long. 15 to 20 minutes, because that's going to help you get monetized on YouTube. In order to get monetized on YouTube completely, you're going to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Having longer videos in the beginning will help you do that. And right now, honestly, to be quite frank with you, until you get to about 30 videos, I don't really want you to even think about what it is that you should be doing on YouTube, except cranking out videos on topics that you absolutely love and that people are searching for. We can talk about the mechanics of a YouTube channel in a later video, because I feel like there is some specifications that you could be doing to help yourself along the way. But in this video, I just want to get you started, right? And to get started, we don't need to dive into all of that right now because it will become more important later. All right, so the next thing that you're going to do is I want you to set up a lifestyle membership. Yes, I don't care where it is. It is the Rich Life community is a lifestyle, is part of a lifestyle membership. We are just the name Rich Life. It really just is coming from the idea that residual income creates happiness. That's literally it. And so what we're going to do is you're going to set up a lifestyle membership with a lifestyle membership company like the one that I'm a part of. And the link will be down below for you guys to learn more about it. Now, with this lifestyle membership, it is going to allow you to get wholesale rates on hotels, resorts. You know, you're going to be able to get cruises. You're going to be able to book flights. You're going to be able to purchase cars, excursions, movies, dinners. It is literally everything in your lifestyle. We call it the Amazon of lifestyle because it provides everything, not just travel related benefits, but you're going to be able to get travel agent rates without having to book travel for other people, which means that when you want to travel now, you don't have to necessarily beg, borrow, and try to get these hotels and resorts to give you some money. You can just simply do it on your own. That is going to be the key, doing it on your own in the beginning, so that now you can start to create the content that you really want to create in order to start your travel influencer journey, right? So now that you are able to get these discounted rates, you're going to start traveling. As soon as you join this lifestyle membership, you're going to get a free incentive trip. That incentive trip is basically an incentive for welcoming you to the lifestyle membership. And you can choose from any destination on the list of destinations from around the world or domestically. So now you have a way to travel for, not necessarily for free, but you have an incentive trip that's already paid for you. And it actually is the ROI, your return on investment for joining the lifestyle membership. You're going to get that as soon as you join. Boom. That is the way that you're going to book your first trip. Easy, breezy, beautiful. Now you're going to also go into the flights and you're going to book your flight with your memberships, because you're going to be able to get those types of discounts as well on flights. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to set up an Amazon affiliate store, right? So what is that? Obviously, Amazon.com is a big thing for people. And especially if you love to travel, this is going to be a great way for you to start to list out the travel items that you've likely already been purchasing from Amazon. So how do we make the money, right? You're going to make the money with YouTube monetization, because you're going to start a YouTube channel and you're going to add your link for your lifestyle membership, because when you start to refer members to your lifestyle membership, you are going to get paid. After your first 3 people, your monthly membership is paid for. So then it's paid for by the company. And then after that, you're going to be able to start making a certain amount of money per day. And that's going to become residual income that pays you every month. Next, you're going to be making money with your Amazon affiliates, because you're going to be posting links to your products in your videos, right, on YouTube. So even while you're trying to monetize your YouTube videos, you're already making money with your lifestyle membership. You're already making money with your Amazon affiliates. And then you're going to be making money from your monetization on YouTube. And now you're making money 3 ways. Boom. That is the play. That is the easiest, most simple play I can give you to make money 3 ways in 2025 in travel. If you want more details about how exactly to do this, let me know in the comments down below, and I will of course make other videos that are related to this topic to help you along the way. So with that being said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you want to see in the next coming video so I can help you out as well, because this is so easy, it should be illegal, right? So with that being said, I will catch you in the next video.